Yes.
With one goal down, we shifted our focus. We went for a new location and a new target. We were going to look for snook. We packed up and drove south, hoping the change would pay off.
Well, that feels good.
What you got, a snook?
Is that what that is?
I don't know. You got a bar?
Yep, got
That's a snook.
one.
Check that out. Heck yeah. Got the snook.
Check it out, y'all. Got my first snook. It's a small one, but it sure feels good after the rough day we've had.
Right?
There we go.
Get ready to go.